What's up guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, and today we're going to be taking a look at some of our new products for May. But before we jump into all those details, we actually have a giveaway that we're doing with this video. So we've got a couple neat things like this WeatherTech phone holder that fits in your cup holder, as well as some Stage 3 swag with an Under Armour backpack and some shirts and sunglasses, things like that we're going to be giving away to one lucky person. But in order to get this, I need you to go down below, hit subscribe, and also leave a comment. And if you want, tag a friend into it as well. And we're going to be doing the giveaway essentially over the next day or two, so it's going to happen pretty quick. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe as soon as you can. And with that, let's go ahead and jump into the first new product. All right guys, so the first product we've got lined up for you is these new MSD Blaster coil packs for the F-150. Now we've got these available for the 2.7 liter as well as the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engines and the 5 liter V8s. So if depending on what you have optioned into your F-150, there's going to be something available for you. Now, these coils are built to be a direct plug-and-play replacement for the factory coil packs that are in your truck. So once you pull these out, there's not going to be any sort of weird wiring or changes you have to make to your motor. These will simply drop in place and plug in with that factory harness. These coils use MSD's patented windings to basically create a better, more reliable spark for your motor, and in turn, that's going to give you better performance and better fuel economy over time. On top of that, they generally have a really nice build quality, so they're designed to last, and these work well whether you have just a totally bone stock factory truck or some other mods on there and you're just trying to capitalize and get that extra bit of power. Next up for you guys, we've got some new options from Swing Case, who make these very cleverly designed kind of swinging toolboxes that go in the beds of trucks. Now, they have new options available for the Ranger, like you see here, where you can mount it either on the driver or the passenger side, depending which kit you option out. And these are just a really simple, nice toolbox that basically you can lock and unlock from the top. Opens up, has a lot of storage space in it, and obviously swings out to the tailgate for easy access, and then can be latched back up against the side of the bed so it's out of the way and you still have the ability to use your bed for storage or hauling items as you need it. Now obviously the swing case I have installed here is in our Ranger, but they do have options available for F-150 and Super Duty as well, so no matter what kind of truck you're running or what your bed size is, there will be something that works for your application. And overall, they're pretty simple to install. They come with nice brackets and hardware to get everything done, so it's a really good, quick, simple way to add that additional storage for tools, camping gear, recovery gear, or whatever it may be that you want to have in your bed, but you don't necessarily want just flying around and getting tossed out as you drive. The next new product I've got for you guys is these Ranger Raptor style Grille LEDs. So as you can see here, they come in two versions. We've got the 3 LED version on our Ranger, and then I have the 4 LED version here in my hand. Both install the same way, really nice high quality kit that just gives a little bit more of an aggressive look to the front of your Ranger and something that sets it apart from the crowd. They're made super nicely with an aluminum powder coated bracket and then all the weather resistant wiring. And they just simply plug and play into the side marker in your fender, so there's not any sort of cutting or splicing you have to do to make them work. Lastly, we've got some new off-road and outdoors equipment from Bulldog, and they cover everything from coolers to winch recovery gear to air compressors. Now their coolers, like we have here, they've got a 65 quart and a 20 quart, as well as some other options depending on what works best for you and how you use it. And they have super thick wall insulation, really nice latches, as well as rubber seals around the lid, so that way you get something that's going to hold up for multiple days and is weatherproof and just gives you a really nice product to use if you're going out camping or if you even need to carry food and drinks on a job site. With that, they have tow straps and things like what I've got here, rigging kits, gloves, bags, all the stuff you need to do a vehicle recovery, and this 150 PSI air compressor, which can actually hook up to your vehicle's battery, and that allows you to air up after airing down for the trail, so that way when you run home, you don't have to run home on low tires. As usual, guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to go down below, hit subscribe, and leave a comment so you can get entered in our giveaway to win some of that cool Stage 3 swag, and I will see you guys next time.